Hi guys, it's 6:30 in the evening and maglalakad kami papuntang Gaslight District. This is the largest outdoor screen here in Canada. And there are public displays that are frequently used for hosting community events, sport broadcast, and outdoor movie nights. So nandun kami para makita yung football kasi dito sa Canada hineld yung football nila Messi and Ronaldo. So we'll have a 15 to 7 minute walk going there. So samahan nyo kayo. Samahan nyo kami. Tara. Tamang-tama merong baseball event kaming makikita. This is CGT Fields and mostly yung mga baseball events ng mga students are held here. So hindi kami magtatagal dito. Titingin lang sandali kasi yung pupuntan talaga namin is the Gaslight District. Nag-shortcut kami dito sa may river papunta. And para makita na rin natin yung magandang river dito. Ayan. Nag-scooter yung pamangkin ko. And as you can see, parang virgin forest tong mga halaman dito. Parang di pa nagagalaw. Ang ganda ng mga bulaklak. And this so relaxing. It's good for family. Para makapag-picnic. Ayan. And sa side niya, may mga wild grapes na tumutubo and different kinds of flowers. So, mai-enjoy nyo talaga pag napadaan kayo dito. Dediretsuhin nyo lang yan. And then, Gaslight District na. Diba? Ang ganda ng river dito. Although, malabo-labo pa siya kasi nga, diba, winter lang din. So, usually, ang river, pag nahaluan ng snow, medyo may putik pa siya. And then, sige guys, walk-walk lang kayo. And kung may palabas pa, kasi may malaking sinehan kaming pupuntahan and it's free for the public. Kasi ang Canada ang mag-host ng FIFA World Cup. So, but we don't know kung saan dito sa Canada. So, check lang natin yung malaking sinihan nila dito. So, malapit na tayo. Cutie squirrel. Ang cute. Gotcha. And now we're leaving the forest. And tatawid lang kami dito guys. And then Gaslight District na. Super excited kami kasi I'm sure madami ring tao. And mag-i-enjoy talaga kami. May mga restaurants din. But yes, medyo pricey kasi dito. So, nag-watch lang kami sandali. And wala kaming maupuan kaya standing ovation kami. Hindi ba? Sobrang malaki yung screen nito. Ayan. Hindi pa kami uuwi pero pupunta pa kami sa isang bridge na kilala din sa Ontario, Canada. Yung Grand River. So, we're heading there. Tara guys, samahan na kami ulit. And thank you!
There's a pigeon, oh. Pamunit.
Pamunit, mga ano balaw.
No. Just walang hindi ka makanakaw dito eh. Just walk lang. Ay, di kayo? Hindi kami yan.
Wow, very nice flowers. Ang ganda ng view, guys. Inyo ne?
Hindi.
Ba, may nakabilin, oh. Trapo ata. Banat Gym.
Good. Need to picture here.
And now we're going home, guys. And tingnan ulit natin yung mga wild berries, guys. I saw it here. Berries. And we're going home to play. May mga wild grapes din. And ito yung bus stop dito. Yan. Yes, and guys, we're finally home after 1.5 hours na nasa labas. And look at our house. So messy. Ganda ng weather. Ganda pa rin ng weather outside. Check.
At this moment, the destined storm is approaching. 2 lightning strikes hit their butts perfectly and impartially. Then a layer of radioactive odor and acid rain rose in the sky. At this moment, the strong centrifugal force set on the jungle 2,000 miles away. A flying
So
crystal
guys, that's all for today.
mermaid man and barnacle boy.
Bye, Jamie.
Popcorn in the microwave is just ready. Next,
Say bye.
they continued watching the movie as if nothing had happened.
Hoy, hoy.
Say bye, Kyle.
Bye.